Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Keep. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Google Keep is a pretty straightforward app once you know the basics. So what we can do is open up Google Keep for the first time. You can also sign into your account as well. Now, once we've signed into our account, your notes are going to appear here on the main page. Now, to create a note, go ahead and click on the plus icon. So we've got 5 different type of notes we can add. We can add an audio note, image note, a drawing, list, or text. So if you want to add a text note, go ahead and click on text. Give this a title, and then add text there. Then from there, if we click back, that's going to automatically save it. Now we can change the way it's viewed in here too. So if we click on search keep, we can change it like that. We can also filter by custom date, create, modified. Now if we want to go ahead and create a drawing, we can. So click on create, and then we can got different type of pens, pencils you can use here, and also just draw here, yada yada, and then click on back, and that's going to save your drawing. Now if I click onto that, you can see here that's inside of Google Keep. So yeah, it's basically a very easy app to use. We can also add a list, so we can add items in this list here, like so. Give this a title. Now that list is going to appear here. Obviously audio can be the same. Click on audio, put in an audio note, and then we can filter. If you want to delete a note, you can. So we can click on more options. We can make a copy. We can send that. We can copy to Google Docs. We can archive it, add labels, reminders, and we can also delete that if you like.